Morning, family. It's our final day of our buff booster. 4-star, no nature. 2 losses, both zeros. And still at an E. Wonderful. Okay, let's see if I can at least fill up that hero's chest well. At least a 5 for 5. I know it's shooting for the moon, but I'd rather at least try. Okay, so we're going to need a dispel. And, okay, and I don't think we're going to need a cleanse. So we'll use Proteus. I'll go with Chow, Li Shu, and, Goldie? Oh, they got a lot of healers. Okay, maybe I need to go with 2, so I'm not really going to need her. Let's try someone different. Let's go with DeAndre. And then I'll go with Botusk. I know I make it sound so so strange. No, mystical. That's the word I really wanted to look for. Yeah, I'm just gonna try new different heroes. Might as well. Let's see here. I have 2 attackers. Let's just wait. Do they have 2 healers? Two are guards. So maybe this might not stick with Proteus. Let's try using him. Should I add some emblems? Oh, wow. I didn't realize I had that many ranger emblems. Okay. So let's go with health. 2. 712, 712. 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Let's go. I'll take this diamond. Excellent. Let's see if we can dispel that. I don't understand why that happens. We definitely don't want the shark going off. Oh, that's pretty loud. That. Let's see if we can kill him. Okay, cool. Now we're gonna go for this version of Kira. Let's use this to negate what he just did. Now we're going to use him, followed by Li Shu. And these holy tiles should kill him. Oh. Then maybe that one will. Okay. Alright, cool. So that was flag number 1. Top 25%, okay. Now, okay, let's see here. She should not be right there. Alright, so we're going to go with the cleanse. Which regard should I use? This one. This guy is a stud. Okay. Now, I think I want to go with the Dispel. I might try the tank. The tank is... Okay. I might try Ice. Let's use Sonya. And let's go with this guy. We'll try Linus. And we'll go with this version. Okay, let's go. We'll start off with this match. Can you please tell me why she's there? She should be a flank or a tank. Doesn't matter. He's still gonna go off. Oh, he didn't. All right. I'm not worried about her over there. So we'll hit. I kind of want to get rid of Goldie. So let's hit in the center 3 first. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. I only have 5 tiles. Oh, I needed 6 to hit. Oh, 3 of them. Let's do this. Okay. Now, I think we're going to hit Dizzy with her. Then we'll do that. Strike these 2. And hopefully with these ice tiles I can kill him. It's okay. There's not really any threats here. Okay. Let's cleanse with regard. We're going to attack their Oni hitter. Let's do this. We still only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's okay. We're attacking. What's this guy's name? Itham? Those ice tiles should kill him. Okay, I'm searching for one more ice match. It's okay. We just need to be patient. Oh, that's right. The minion dispels. Each hit from a soldier minion dispels all dispellable buffs from the target. I forgot about that. Kinda. Alright, so we're going to... Let's remove that. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blue tiles. So this should hit both. Now we're going to use that and then this. And we'll just wait. We'll let the minions hit our opponent. Oh my gosh, monks are so awesome. Okay. They have 2 healers and 2 attackers. You know what I want to do? For fun. Let's mirror what they have. Okay. I wish I would have thought about that earlier. Oh wait, I'm going too far down. Let's use this version, and then we have the shark. Okay, I like that. I wish I would have thought about that sooner. Okay, so there are a lot of undesirable tiles here. Let's see if we can kill Grim. Next, I'm going to go for their other attacker. Okay. So now, let's see. I know those darts aren't going to kill him, but maybe that... Okay, cool. Don't hit my Kiro. Next, I think... Oh, man, I should have waited. That's okay. Let's see if we can kill him. It's gonna start getting dangerous real quick. Okay. Yes. Oh, baby. Let's do that. Then we're going to use the shock. Now, bow tusk. So how many buffs is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that 5? 5 buffs. Okay. I just need to get my ice tiles all together. Okay. Let's do that. I'm gonna wait for Boltus to go off, and then I'll use Kiro to negate his attack up. So I think we should go. Who's the strongest hit? So that's, what is that? 36, 96? Oh, this is a weaker one. Let's go here first. And then that. Okay. If I get some tiles underneath him, I'll end this. The game is making it difficult to kill my opponent. Alright. Will those kill him? How many of you guessed that would happen? Damn! Wow, okay. That was flag number 3. Now we're going to go with... If I had Kitty, I would mirror that. But I actually want to try something. Okay. So we're going to go with... okay, I'm going to need at least one hero, so I can check what they have again. I need a cleanse. Okay, so let's put Goldie in the middle. So just in case Gretel hits, she'll at least hit her. Unless she goes for the 2 sides. Then we're going to go with... I'm going to need a Dispel, aren't I? Let's just use Lishu. It feels criminal to not use her. And then, oh, damn it. I did it again. Oh boy. I pressed it so damn fast. Oh, jeez. Let's see if I can dispel that. Oh God, let's not let that happen again. All right, all attackers, healers All right, so what we'll need to do is we'll use Li Shu, and I think we'll go with we'll go with haven't used Knuckles at all, have I? Let's go with this guy because of his minions. We'll take Grim, Kirill, and then I think we'll go with Sabina, but we'll go with this version to prevent all those ailments from hitting us. So we have two forms of, let's see here, we have two forms of Dispel. We have ailment protection and attack down on them. Let's go. This is the last flag. Let's make it a good one. I don't like the looks of this already. Here we go. Let's focus on... What a garbage board, by the way. These three. Okay, I figured you'd withstand that. No, shoot, she's dead. This guy's gonna keep activating that. Oh yeah, that's right. The minions will activate this this Superior Protect more often. Okay, I think I'm going to wait. Come on, guys. How much is left for that counterattack? 2? Let's hit Kirill. Okay. Now let's see if we can dispel that. Oh, that's right. It's undispellable. Oh, boy. Yes, I know. send Dispelables from Cyprian. Okay. So that's 4 turns. Three. 2. 1. Oh. Okay. Okay. I don't have time for this. Yes, I'm aware. Stop. Okay. Awesome. Why can I perform like this the whole week? All right, if I could, let's see here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't think there's any way for me to bring it up to a D. So that's 14%. No way. All right, family. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys had a great week in your tournament. Peace out, and I mean it. Enjoy your weekend. Bye, family.